Hello everyone, welcome to the course on ANSYS DesignModeler Essentials. This is an introductory course. It is designed for students from mechanical and aerospace engineering backgrounds. It is also useful for engineering graduates who want to start their career in the field of engineering design and analysis. At the end of this course, you will know how to create planes and sketches within DesignModeler, how to draw, modify, dimension, and constrain sketches within DesignModeler. You will also know how to prepare your geometry for meshing using cleanup and repair tools present within DesignModeler. We will go through the primary menus in DesignModeler and learn how to create and modify three-dimensional geometries. You will also learn some of the basic concepts used in DesignModeler, such as frozen, active, suppressed, and hidden. Concepts related to meshing, such as multi-body parts and shear topology, will also be discussed in this course.